It's such a fantastic day in Lollybeep Bridge, and it looks like our adventure begins in the Lollybeep Forest. All right, team, is everybody ready? Yes! Heck yeah! You betcha! Let's go! I'm so excited! I've never been to the Great Waterfall before. I've only ever seen it in books. Me too! This is going to be so much fun! I love the Great Waterfall! What was that? I don't know, but let's go find out. Oh no, that's not good. How are we going to get down the path now? Well, it's too big to go over, and it's too long to go around. We could go back and take the longer route, but it will slow us down a lot. Okay, everyone, gather round. This log is approximately 15 feet long, and its diameter is 4 feet. So, if we divide by pi, did you say pi? No, Henry, not that kind of pi. You know, the mathematical constant. No. I'm hungry. Oh, Henry. Molly, we're gonna need some long vines to fasten around the log. Henry, you stand here. And Willow, if you could please stand right in the middle. Does anyone know how to tie a constrictor knot? I think this might take too long, Blue. Is there a faster way to move that tree? Don't worry, guys. I've got this. Woohoo! Go, Walter! You're so strong. Yeah, that was really impressive, Walter. I didn't know you had that much strength. Thanks, guys. I mean, I am built like a tank. My plan would have worked too. It definitely would have, Blue. But Walter's idea was a lot faster, don't you think? Yeah, I guess so. Whoa! That is a lot of mud. Phew! I made it. Woo! Right behind you, Blue. Whee! Woohoo! Guys, I don't think those vines are gonna work for me. And it's too deep to walk across. Oh no! Hang tight, Walter. I'll figure out a way to get you across. What are we gonna do? I have an idea. What's your idea, Blue? What if we go back and get the log from before? And we can drag it back here and build a bridge. It would be sturdy enough to hold Walter, and we can practice building a bridge just like I saw in my new book. That's a great idea, Blue, but there has to be an easier way. What if Walter moves that piece of wood over there, and I move this piece of wood over the puddle? All done on this side. Viola! Henry, it's Voila! Thanks, Henry! Are you okay today, Blue? You seem kind of grumpy. Yeah, I'm okay. It just feels like no one wants my help today. Oh, Blue, all of your ideas have been really great. But sometimes there are simpler answers right in front of us. We're nearly to the waterfall. Let's just try to relax and have a bit of fun. Yeah, you're probably right. I should try not to overthink things. It stinks to overthink. Let's run and have some fun. What is that? Our mantra for the day. Oh, Henry. It stinks to overthink. Let's run and have some fun. It stinks to overthink. Let's run and have some fun. It stinks to overthink. Let's run and have some fun. Whoop! Whoopsie! Watch out for this rock, everyone. Thanks, Blue. I would have tripped over that rock for sure. No problem. How much further until we get to the waterfall? Not much further now. Wait, where did Henry go? Henry? Henry, where'd you go? Oh boy, there's no telling where he could have gone. Henry? Henry, where are you? Hey guys, look, berry bushes. I bet. Huh. Yeah, these bushes don't have many berries, which can only mean that Henry has gone this way. Oh, Henry. What? Come on, team. We better keep going if we want to play at the waterfall. Oh boy! Is that a maple tree? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Whoops! Looks like Walter has gotten himself into a very sticky situation. Walter? You're kind of sticking to everything there, buddy. Whoopsie! It's so tasty. Do you guys think you could maybe help me out? Well, you could always wait until we get to the waterfall and jump in for a quick bath. Great idea! But what do I do until then? Walter's in luck. The rain will wash the maple right off. Good call, Blue. Phew. It's starting to rain. We need to take shelter. What are we gonna do? Oh no. Ugh, I don't like the rain. We need somewhere to wait out the rain. And fast. We could just keep going and try to outrun it. No, that won't work. It's too dangerous. We could hold some of the big leaves over our heads. No, that won't work either. There aren't enough for all of us to fit under. We could build a shelter. There are some vines and branches. It might take us a little while to complete, but it would keep the rain off of us. It stinks to overthink. Let's run and have some fun. It stinks to overthink. Let's run and have some fun. There! It's a cave hidden behind those trees. We can wait out the storm in there. Great idea, Blue. Come on, everyone. Wait a second, Walter. You need to get all of that sticky maple off first. Oh, yeah. Good idea. I'm really proud of you, Blue. You saw the simple solution before any of us. Only thanks to you guys and Henry's little mantra, it stinks to overthink. Do you guys hear that? The waterfall is really close. I can hear it. Let's go. Wow, that sure is gorgeous. It's beautiful. Wow, thanks for bringing me here. This might be my new favorite place. It's so calm and peaceful. Cannonball! Oh, Walter. It looks like our friends made it to the Great Waterfall. What an adventure that was. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time. Hi, friends. If you liked our video and you want to watch more, click that big red subscribe button. And we'll see you on your next adventure. Bye.